The OEE for line 1 is 78.3%, which is up 2% from yesterday.
Alexa, what is the current voltage of this chiller compressor?
The current voltage of this chiller compressor is 200 volts at 50 Hz.
Okay, Google. What is our total oil production year to date, and how does it compare to last year?
You have produced 5,640,000 barrels of oil year to date. That is up 4% from last year.